Here we have our first specimens, the nerd. As you can see, he plays Call of Duty Black Ops all day. And as you can see, he's not doing so good. Oh. He doesn't have much to say. He's a quiet sibling. Stays in my room all day. This is my room. And this is him. He does not belong here, but yet he stays. He's a renegade soul. As you can see, he dresses up his player like a homosexual. Because it suits him. He does not look happy. Hey, say something. He doesn't feel like talking right now. Because I haven't fed him in a week. Alright. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get some action going in here. The TV screen's being difficult with the camera. It's not working very well. Come on, gotta get in a different angle. Oh, here we go. Yep. He's going in the room. He killed a bitch. Dropping noobs. Oh, dropping noobs! Noobs drop like flies. He's running around. Run and gun, baby. Yeah, get some. Get some, get some, get some. Oh, he missed, he missed. Oh, you assisted. Alright, grab a bitch. Come on, Chris, move. What you got? What?